The energy we use in our body comes from the chemical bonds in the food we ingest, but it is quite unwieldy in this form. As such, the body processes the varied types of chemical bonds into a single molecular source for this energy. This effectively creates an energy currency for the bodily processes so that they can have smoother energy transactions. This molecule is adenosine triphosphate, or ATP for short. The molecule itself is made up of three key components: a nitrogenous base, adenine, a sugar, ribose, and a tail of three phosphate molecules. Importantly, the bonds between these last two phosphate molecules are high energy bonds, which are highly labile. This means that it is easy for the body to use this energy elsewhere, wherever it is needed. This process results in the splitting off of one of the phosphate molecules, forming an adenosine diphosphate molecule and a phosphoric acid radical, alongside the large amount of energy. These products can then be recycled by the cell, using the energy derived from the metabolism of our ingested food to recharge the energy in the high energy phosphate bonds. The majority of the synthesis of ATP, around 95%, occurs within the mitochondria, hence their description as the power stations of our cells. Here, the many different molecular food forms have been channeled into the creation of acetyl coenzyme A, which enters the mitochondria and joining a chemical process called Krebs cycle. This is a sequence of reactions which will need deeper exploration elsewhere, but the bottom line is that a large amount of ATP is produced. The other substrate for this process is oxygen, while the products are carbon dioxide and water. Whilst not the only way for our body to make ATP, this aerobic pathway is the most efficient and forms the foundations of our baseline metabolism.